Hi Gabe. We're gonna remake the sash out of some pieces out of this wood here. Now, the two pieces that we're gonna make right now are 31 1/8. Okay, but you don't want to cut them 31 1/8 per se. You want to cut it about. So I'll just cut it off at 36. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna cut this off at 36. I'm just gonna cut it about 36. Because right now we don't have to be real accurate yet. Very nice. Will be 2 1/4. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off, we're going to cut it at 2 1/2, okay? And then we're going to work our way down to that. Okay. So now, what we've just done is we have cut two pieces of wood that we will call blanks. We call them blanks because nothing's been done to them yet. Okay? And we're going to mill on these blanks a joint on this end and a joint on this end. But first, we have to make sure that this guy is perfectly straight and ready to go. I mean, it looks straight enough as it is, but it's not perfect. So we're going to take it to this machine here called a jointer, and we're going to joint two sides. The flat side first, and then skinny side second. Okay? And what I'd like to say now is that you want to plane the side opposite of what you just jointed. And what the thickness planer will do, it'll make those two sides parallel, so it'll make everything perfectly straight. Higher than it needs to be, and I'm going to lower it down to find out exactly where it starts going. That we've got it down to the right thickness. Okay, we're going to take it from 2 1/2, or yeah, 2 1/2 down to 2 1/4 on the table saw. Cut it to length. Okay. One of the reasons that we cut it a little long to begin with is because there is a phenomenon with planers like this machine here called this area right here. There is a whoops where the cut is a little bit deeper on the end, about 4 inches long, because this area of snipe is about 2 inches. And so we want to cut that off. Okay. So we just cut it here. and then we'll cut it there. Okay. So now I'm going to eliminate this knife, and I'm going to cut to length. And my length was 31 1/8. 31 1/8, right there. And I mark at the very tip with an arrow, and I mark in 2 different directions going away from the point where I want to cut. And I will cut on that side of the line, and I will split this guy right in the middle. Okay, that's how we always cut. We always cut very accurately. See that? And what I did is I started far away, well, relatively speaking far away, saw where my blade was landing, and then I gently moved my piece of wood into my blade, to the exact spot that it needed to be. That's how you cut it exactly. Okay. 31 1/8 is our number. Hey, Carl.
Hey.